Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install a Cruiser Company lift up window and what I've done in behind it and how you might be able to do the same. Alright, so for now I've pulled all the fridge slide and everything out, so we've got easy access. I'm probably going to have to pull these parts of the drawer wings out so we can lever that trim back to get to everything we need to. I'm not exactly sure yet, but yeah, we're basically ready to start as per the Cruiser Company instructions. So this is a really good time to give it a bit of a clean up and analyze it for any little rust spots. This is actually really not too bad. A lot better than the other side is going to be if and when I do that. So give it a bit of a clean up and we'll be ready to start reinstalling. My process here was basically clean with wax and grease remover, sand, clean again, paint over some of the rust with rust converter, clean again, and then get ready to prime and paint. Alright, so now that we've pulled all the tape and paper off that, the paint is dry. It's been sitting for about an hour. It's not perfect, no painter, but it should manage the rust for now. It's a bit better than it was. So now we've got all our bits and pieces from the Cruiser company here for the lift up window. I'm going to grab this one here. And basically, we're going to sit him up here and mark some holes. Yeah, just up like that. Basically, put some masking tape down, mark some holes, drill some holes, and then, yeah. These compression latches are really easy to install. Basically just start by making sure it's unlocked so you've got the ability to open and close it. You're going to want to grab just a Phillips head screwdriver, take the metal plate off the back, just like that. Keep the screw in it. And then we're going to poke this through. You'll see there's a seal, rubber seal around here. Just poke it through with the latch downward. So the lock facing up, and then you're going to come around to the other side and just screw that back on. And then on the two brackets you've installed, you'll be able to put in your mounts for the gas strut and then install the gas strut. So what I've basically done here is just a dry fit for the bulb seal. Bit of overhang, but we'll probably just cut that with a bit of generosity, bit of tolerance, and then once I've gone and put the silicone in and put it in properly, we can trim the excess off after that. You may have to cut slots out of this inner trim piece here so the compression latches can actually lock onto the inside of the bulb seal. So with everything shutting nice and firmly, we can move on to how I built the box and 12-volt panel inside the lift-up window. For stability at the top of this panel, I used a couple of bolts and some spacers and mounted it to where the handle used to go. For my power distribution, I bought one of these hardcore distribution boxes. So it's got a battery voltage readout, a couple of cigarette lighter plugs, and just a heap of different USB-C and normal USB outputs, as well as some Anderson plug outputs down the bottom. So that'll be fantastic for like plugging my water pump into and stuff like that. So there you go, that's what it looks like there. So there you go, guys and girls, lift up window on the 105 series Cruiser. I hope this video has answered a lot of your questions if you wanted to do this for yourself. I hope it might have inspired you for some of what I've done back in behind the lift up window. But yeah, until next time, thanks for watching.